Hello friends, my name is Emre. Today I would like to solve a question regarding with linear regression. We want to know the relationship between total bill and tip amount. Tip amount accepted as a dependent variable and bill is the independent variable. In this case, total bill will be our x variable. And tip amount is our y variable. X represents independent, y represents dependent. We have a formula about linear regression for given sample. Y equals to mx plus b. This is the general formula, and to specify and implicate on linear regression, our formula will be y equals b sub 0 plus b1 times x. In this case, b1 will be our slope and b sub 0 will be y-interception. For calculating the equation, we had to know b sub 0 and b sub 1. B sub 1 will be equal to sum of x for the ith item, I mean meal 1, meal 2, meal 3, US, you suppose, minus x bar times y sub I minus y bar. Y bar means average, mean value of y. When you multiply it with these two terms and sum them up, and over square root of deviation of x. In this case, x sub I minus x bar square inner terms and sum them up. And that will give you a b sub 1. Let's calculate. I transformed the given data here into the Excel. For calculating mean, you can take an average of all the x values in the number of item meal 1, meal 2, meal 3. And we will get 74. I am doing same thing for y value. And for finding bill deviation, for the ith number of bill, $34 minus x bar, mean of x, I mean. That will give us minus 40 for making sure. And scroll down to apply all the items. I will do the same thing for tip deviation. And we are summing them up for the formula and dividing after. We can use product formula for multiplication of those items and scroll down to apply all the meal types. For finding bill deviation squared in the division part of our formulation, I will apply like that. Bill deviation and square it. Then scroll down to apply all of the meal types. And according to the given formula, we have to sum. This is this part, and that is that part, and I will sum all of them. For writing sum keyword, I am checking if there is a mistake. No, I think our nominator will be this one and denominator will be that one. And I will do division operation over this. When I do this, I will get a b sub 1 value. For b sub 0, I will calculate. Let me delete that part. And p sub 1 will be this. Point 1 4 approximately, we can say. And we have a formula for b sub 0, and that is b sub 0 equals y bar minus b1 times x bar. In this case, y bar equals 10 minus our beta value times x bar, 74. And I will get 0.3279 and so on, so forth. I can write 0.033 approximately. Point 0.033, 0.033. And now I will write the full equation, this one. And y equals 0.3, 0.033 plus 0.14 x. There is a relationship between x and y. Understood clearly? When we increase the value of x 1 unit and y will increase 0.14 unit. That's all today. Thank you for listening to me.